Good morning, guys. Ayan, pinapakain ko yung apo ko. I'm making him some sausage and rice. Ito naman guys ang juice natin, yung binili ko yan sa sa Lidl. O not Lidl, sa Rite Aid pala guys, yung nag-closing sila. At saka ito guys ang inumin ng granddaughter ko, yung low fat na chocolate, at saka yung low fat na milk. Kasi ito lang ang pwede niya inumin. It's lunchtime guys, so lulutuan ko na naman yung apo ko. Ayan yung sa akin, mag-ano tayo soup. Ayan, nilagyan ko ng Thai basil. Bali Thai ano to sa guys, yung parang Thai noodle soup. Instant. Yung ano na sana sa package. Yung parang katulad din ng mga ramen noodle soup. Ayan. So ayan guys, luto na yung pagkain ng apo ko. Okay guys, we're here outside and look, may tomato. Ang liit lang nila, hindi sila lumaki. Yan guys, kasi nga nung binili ko to, malamig pa. So parang naudlot ang paglaki nila. So anyway, there's one in there. And I got another one in there. Yung ating malunggay guys, ang ganda ng tubo. Thank you Lord. Ayan. Tapos nag-iisang dahon ng kamuti. Ayan guys. Okay guys, let's eat our lunch. Ayan. Habang kumakain na yung apo ko ng ng fries niya at saka chicken nuggets. Okay guys, I have something to show you while my grandson watching his favorite. Kung naririnig nyo. So anyway, after I finished went to the beach, I stopped by at a thrift store, Goodwill, and buy a few things. Okay, so this one, because we're gonna need it for tomorrow, for 4th of July, because we're going to my son's place. We're gonna get together. So this one guys, I bought these. Ayan. Because my daughter gonna need this. She's gonna make a dessert. I think the layer. I think she's making something that says a layer. So this is what she gonna need. We used to have one of these guys, but I don't know what happened because we moved like 2 times. So maybe we read all the stuff. Maybe when I went. Because I did garage sale before we move out to the other place. So anyway, so I bought another one, and this one is $7.99. Ang mahal na talaga guys ng mga sa thrift store, sa Goodwill, yung mga lalo na yung mga gamit sa pangkusina, at saka yung mga kahit na mga damit, halos na guys, wala ka nang makikitang mura. They're all expensive now. So this one guys, look, it's really cute, nice. So this is what we're gonna need that tomorrow. And then plus, when I go around and then I saw this, because I'm gonna send this to the Philippines. This one guys, it's a takore kettle. And this one is, how much is this? It's $3.99 guys, see? Andyan pa yung tag, it's $3.99. I like this guys because this is what we're using too. Ito ang ginagamit namin dito rin sa bahay. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung dito sa bahay. Ayan guys, look. Kaya gusto ko. I like this one. May laman po guys tubig kasi may init ako kaninang tubig. Then, ito ang nabili natin. See, they're the same. And ayan ang price. So, this is for the Philippines. I'm gonna send this one. And also, I found this one too. They're a glass in a small bowl. Yung mga maliliit guys na bowl. And this one is $3.99. It's $3.99 but because it's orange tag, so half na lang guys ang binayad ko dito. So bali parang $3 na rin siya, so $1.50 na lang. Yan. And look guys, there are 6 of them. 1, 5, 6, 7. No, this 7. Yeah, guys, 7. So marami siya guys. Maganda ito guys panglagyan ng naka-tape, kaya hindi ko muna guys sa tanggalin kasi iniisip ko na baka ipapadala ko. Okay guys, may tumawag kasi kaya na cut yung yung pag-video ko, pag-filming ko kasi gamit ko yung ko rin iPhone. Okay guys, so this is nice. Maganda ito siya guys panglagyan ng ng sauce. O kaya yung mga maliliit na mga side dish. Yan. Tapos pag gagawa ka ng mga sasawan. So, yan. Maganda siya, guys. Mura na to. 7 pieces. Nakatulog na yung apo ko, guys, kasi my daughter told me this morning na ang aga daw niya nagising. So, maaga niya hinati dito kanina, mga before 6:30. Kasi pasok ng anak ko, alas 7. So, antok nakatulog habang nanonood. So, while he's sleeping, just gonna sit here. I guess, cannot do anything. I cannot make noise here downstairs because he's sleeping at the living room. I guess I'm gonna wait when he woke up. At least nakakain na siya ng lunch bago siya nakatulog. Kaya pala nakahiga siya. Tinatanong ko siya yung good night. Sagot niya sa akin, no. Wala, inaantok na siya. So, yun, at least na nakatulog. Okay guys, this is the next day. Good morning, July 4th. Ayan, nire-ready na ng anak ko ang dessert. At ito ang nabili natin na panglagyan niya. Ayan, ina-arrange ni Amaya. So, ayan guys. And then, nagluto siya ng mac and cheese. Nadadali namin doon sa anak ko. Then, I fried some Shanghai lumpia. And also, I make arroz Valenciana. So, yan ang dadali namin doon. We're here. Ito ang swimming pool ng daughter-in-law ko kag ng anak ko. So, naka-ano na guys, naka-arrange. Ayan, ang cute ng 4 na upuan. Tapos, kung gusto mo dyan, upo, uminom, kain. Ayan guys. And may upuan din na pangbata. So, ayun, the water is so clear. And they already start swimming. My daughter, my granddaughter, and my grandson. So, ayan guys. They enjoy na sila. So, tour ko muna kayo dito. Bababa tayo. Sa backyard nila. Ayan guys. Malaki ang backyard nila. Guys. Tapos that's good na may sila. May swing. Makapag-swing. Ayan, we start cooking barbecue, pork chop, tsaka pork belly, then corn. And yan, meron silang OB cake. And also other dessert, mango graham, I think. And yun, may butsi at saka pritong saging. Good morning, beautiful people. This is the next day after 4th of July celebration. Guys, hindi ko natapos yung ano ko, yung vlog ko kahapon, kagabi. Kahapon, late. Napagod na guys. Okay, so I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video ko. You all have a wonderful day. And don't forget to like if you like my video. Okay guys. Bye. God bless.